Yeah, welcome back to our channel this day. Binance is listing SuperRare coin, and I know the question you'll be asking is it going to pump? How long is the pump going to last? I wouldn't want to give you that kind of advice if it's going to pump or not, because this is not a financial advice. And in order not to live in that assumption that it's going to pump, it's better you just do the normal thing while trading in a coin that is actually listed on Binance. These are the things that you need to know. Now let's check their Telegram group. Their coin is actually on okay, they have about 1,000. They have about 1,931 members, and only 152 is online. So for me, I believe you have to do your own research. This is the coin on CoinMarketCap. Currently, when this coin was before it was announced to be listed on Binance, it was less than $1. If you can check our chart from CoinMarketCap, you see that it was less than $1. It was less than $1. Sorry, it was just about $1 plus, and then it now went up to $2. You see, the coin went to $2. It's somewhere here, about $2.08, somewhere here right now. So my own advice is do your own research, but don't believe that this coin is going to give you 100x and all of that, because once you lose your money, it's gone, and nobody is there to take responsibilities for what has happened. Thank you, and please remember to subscribe in our channel as we keep on making commitment in giving you updates on coins that we listed on Binance on a consistent basis, as we also dish out other cryptocurrency advice. Thank you so much. Remember to also share this with your friends and your families. Love you so much. Bye.